Hello guys, welcome to Asif's Learning Point. Hope you're doing great. I'm Asif and I'm gonna show you how can you install Kali Linux on virtual machine. Okay, so let's get started. At first open the Chrome browser, then type here virtualbox.org. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, when you come to this website virtualbox.org, then click on downloads to download VirtualBox. Okay, now you can see here is Windows host, OS X host, and Linux distribution. If you're using Windows operating system, then you should download this one. If you're using any Linux distro, then you have to use this one. Okay, now I'm currently using Windows 10, so I'll download this one. So just click on this. See, it started to download. If I show you, see here, it's downloading. Okay, now I'll cancel it because I have downloaded it before. Okay, and then you have to go to this website kali.org. Go to this website. This is the official website of Kali Linux. Okay, so I will go to download Kali Linux here. Here you can see so many ISO files are there. If you install Kali Linux directly on your computer, then you have to install installer. If you want to boot your pen drive, then you have to download this leaf ISO. Okay, we're not going to do this, so we won't do this thing. Now we come to down and see here is Kali Linux 64-bit VirtualBox, Kali Linux 32-bit VirtualBox. Okay, so according to your the configuration of your computer, you have to download any of them. Here my computer is 64-bit, so I'm gonna download this one. So you have to click on this offensive security VM download page. I click on it. See, it brought me to a website named offensive security. Okay, so this is VMware images. We won't download this because we are not using VMware. We'll click here VirtualBox images. Okay, so now what I will do, I will simply click on this because my computer is 64-bit as I told before, and the thing is this is VirtualBox image. Okay, click on this simply and it will start to download. See, it started to download. I'm showing you. Okay, see here it's downloading. As I downloaded it before, so I won't waste time. I'll cancel it. Okay, now I'll close it. Okay, after closing the browser, I'll open this folder because in this folder I saved the VirtualBox and the Kali Linux image. Okay, now I will click on it to install. It's preparing to install. Now I'll click next, 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 install. As I installed it before also, so it's not showing me that I agree or not to install it. I think it will show you. Just you click on that I accept the terms and conditions. That's it. Okay, it's installing. You can see. Please, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification if I upload any important video for you. And if you're really interested in ethical hacking, you should follow this channel. Okay, see, it installed. It is a surface of VirtualBox. We can see welcome to VirtualBox whatever. Now we will go to this folder. Okay, see, after downloading Kali Linux image, VirtualBox image, you will get that folder, and there is two files like this, and there is, like, you can see the uh, surface of this file is like VirtualBox. Here you can see VirtualBox and here it's VirtualBox. So what we'll do, simply we'll click on this. Let's see what happens. and it is asking for permission to import or not, or if I want to change something, I will just simply type agree. Okay, I'll click on agree. Now it's importing file from the ISO image to my computer to run the Kali Linux. You can have this question, why we are installing uh, Kali Linux on this Virtualbox. Actually, as we didn't use Kali Linux before, so uh, if we use on your system, we can crash anytime by mistake, because people who are using Windows or who used in Windows before, if you see them, it's really hard to convert from Windows to Linux. So at first we should uh, install it in VirtualBox to learn this thing first. Then you can install on your uh, laptop as default. Okay, I'll pause the video because it will take so much time. I don't want to make you to wait that much time. As you can see, it is going to be finished so soon. Okay, so it's completely finished now. Let's, yes, our operating system is ready, but we should see the settings once. Okay. Okay, see here, it is version Debian 64-bit type Linux, and system, you can see here is showing invalid settings detected. Okay, why is it showing? You can ask me the question. Actually, my laptop's RAM is 4 GB and I gave here 2 GB RAM, so my main system is running out of RAM, so it is showing. I'll reduce it like that, and then I'll come to this also video memory and audio network setting NAT. Okay, network address translation, then see USB. Okay, everything is okay, so I'll type here okay. Okay, now we'll run our machine. It is running. Yes, our machine. Oh, here is showing an error. You can see when you install this for first time. Okay, it's showing that USB 2.0 controller not found. Okay, if you see this message, just go to settings, and so see where is USB setting. Here is USB setting, as it's 2.0. It's not, we don't have, so I will disable this and we'll type okay. Okay, then we will again press start. Then see, if we get an error again, then we can change that, no problem. Okay, our machine has been started. You can see Kali Linux. Okay, booting in 1 second. Our machine is ready for using. You can see it is the surface of Kali Linux. Mostly there are many distros of Linux, so many people use Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian. Mostly Debian is used for pen testing or ethical hacking. If you really want to be ethical hacker or pen tester, you should use Kali first, or you can start from the Ubuntu. Ubuntu is really compatible for the beginners. Okay, now it's uh, it wants password and username from us. Before, the password and username was root and two, but now it changed. The default password and username is Kali and Kali. Okay, so our machine has been started. You can see this is file system, this is terminal. I'll make another video to show all of you how to use Linux, the Linux command line. I'll upload videos soon. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon, then you will get the notification soon and first whenever I upload video, the notification will go to you. Then you can understand that this channel uploaded this video, so I should watch that. Because if you are really interested in ethical hacking or Kali Linux or cyber security, anything, then you should follow this channel. I'll upload day by day, okay, and step by step I'll upload. So thank you so much for watching this video.